Hello, my name is Andy Kaner. I own and operate Aquatic Consultants Inc. here in Miami, Florida, an international design firm specializing in the design, consulting of pools, spas, water walls, water features, wellness facilities of all types internationally. I'm also an educator and I teach D180 Drawing for Professionals, which is an amazing Genesis course, and it's similar to what you would learn if you were to take a formative studio course in landscape architecture or architecture, which is where you get to learn how to get those great ideas you have down on paper. So you learn the basics of scale, how to use a scale, you learn all the different elements of how to draw, plans, sections, details, and we even go over real world examples of details that we developed and we work with every day in the field for conversation and to help you with your designs in the future. And it will get the ability to get you to think quickly with sketches and also to be able to do a full scale plan based on a series of exercises that the course goes through. So if you don't have any experience with design with uh, pens and pencils by hand, this class is will teach you the general basics of how to do so. A series of exercises that take you through the courses, and in the end, you will have a full blown project that you would have developed by hand and something to really be proud of. It'll also give you the foundation and basics for all of the other courses you may be taking to get your master certification through Genesis. Thank you for taking the time, and I hope to see you soon.